Every week, new AI tools pop up, but most are hype. So today, I'm giving you a full hands-on demo of the one tool that's actually changing the game for content creators in 2025. This AI doesn't just write blogs, it plans, outlines, generates SEO-friendly drafts, and even turns them into scripts, tweets, and videos. In this video, I'll walk you through real use cases. How bloggers save 10+ hours per week, how YouTubers turn ideas into full scripts, and how marketers generate entire campaigns in minutes. I'll test it live so you can see exactly how it works. And I'll share tips on how to get the best output, because AI is powerful, but only if you know how to prompt it correctly. If you're serious about growing your brand or business this year, this AI tool is your new best friend. Let's dive into the demo.